The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go.
What's up, guys? Back here with another video at TDTube.
We're going to be making fidget spinners. We're going to teach you how to make fidget spinners.
We're going to be making them out of paper and a lucky band, and we're going to be using our ones. So our one we've got, so Tyson's one he's playing with is just a normal one.
I got this one off a Geek.
That one off Geek, just the normal try. Then I got this one, normal try one. Mine glows in the dark. I got mine for $9. No, $10 at Things. That was a rip-off. But I just really wanted one because I couldn't wait for my other ones. So this one I got from Geek, and comes in a little case and everything. And see, it's oil slick with just the double. And then we've got like this try sort of thing. And I got this one off Geek as well. For really cheap, like $5. It's pretty sick. So first, I think we should make one out of paper.
People doing shots, tripping fast and then we talk slow. And you come over and start up a conversation with just me. And trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox. And then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. Well, I'm in love with your body. Oh, I, oh, I, oh, I, oh, I. Well, I'm in love with your body. Oh, I, oh, I, oh, I, oh, I. Well, I'm in love with your body. Oh, I, oh, I, oh, I, oh, I. Well, I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new.
So this is what the fidget spinner looks like now when you're finished. You can do all different designs. He's just chosen to go with like a rectangle circle sort of thing, majiggy.
Just a simple one.
It's pretty sick, but works pretty good. But you do need a bearing. I don't know if that's going to be hard for you to get or not. But yeah. But you got to make the hole a bit smaller than the bearing, otherwise it keeps catching. But pretty sick, bro.
Do you take this one to school?
So guys, I just tried to do the lucky band one, but the lucky band doesn't work because the lucky band's too small. But if I had a bigger lucky band, it works. And you just put them 3 in a row, and yeah, works. But I'm just going to do a paper one. So let's do time lapse.
Life's like a road that you travel on. There's one day here and the next day gone. Sometimes.
So guys, mine's finished and I've just done normal one like that. Normal like diamond sort of thing. So yeah. Now I'll do a little time lapse of us just playing with ours, so yeah.
Slow-mo.
And we might do like a little edit or something in slow motion of the fidgets.
Go.
Some only want some shelter, some want a mansion in the sky. Some want 1,000 virgins, some move matter with their mind. But when all the worlds collide, all they know is to divide. And it's easy if they're faceless to hate the other side. the only ones to lead, and the ones they leave behind can only sit and cry. Dear God, dear soul, dear man.
Alright guys, this is going to wrap it up for this video.
We just finished playing with our fidget spinners. We done that little edit. It wasn't that big of an edit, but we're not really good YouTubers, so. And smash a big fat like on this video, press subscribe if you're new, and turn your notifications on, and comment down below notification squad if you turn the notifications on. Peace.